Hello guys, it's Kizz TV. If you are new, you are welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. Before we get right into the video of today, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like this video, and also drop a comment. So guys, Kizz just released a new song titled Cough, aka Odo, which also includes a dance step where you have to bend your waist and whine it a little, be it a man or a woman. And since this song and dance step was released, it has been causing some sort of madness on the internet. Currently, there are over 129,000 videos on TikTok that has used this sound so far. Funny enough, this song never even reached 1 month or even 1 week since Kizz released this great masterpiece. So in this video, I compiled some videos of Davido, Wizkid, Sabinus aka Mr. Investor, and Broda Shaggi dancing to this great music. All I want you to do is tell me who you think won the adult dance challenge in the comment section. Here is the video.
Go. I want to flex my love. Go. I want to flex my love.
So guys, so now as the matter be now, a big shout out to Kizz aka Vado on this one, because normally easy. Meanwhile, if you enjoyed this video from the beginning to this moment, please do subscribe and also like and share this video to your loved ones and friends. And finally, don't forget to tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. See you all on my next video. I'm out. Oh shit.